Did you know that Estonia has some seriously spooky forests? I'm talking about misty woods with stories of strange happenings and mysteries that'll make your hair stand on end. We're also going to discover the coolest stuff about Estonia that will blow your mind and make you want to pack your bags right away. Legend has it that these whispers aren't just the wind playing tricks. They're the voices of ancient spirits guarding the secrets of the woods. Locals believe that if you listen carefully, you might catch a hint of their otherworldly conversations. But here's the spookiest part. Those who ventured too far off the beaten path have reported strange occurrences, disappearing into thin air, losing their way, or feeling an uncanny presence around them. Alright, folks, get ready to step into a real-life fairy tale. Our first stop is the heart of Estonia, the super enchanting capital city of Tallinn. Imagine walking on cobblestone streets that seem straight out of a storybook and looking up at these amazing tall buildings that could totally be from a wizard's world. Tallinn's old town is like a magical maze, with narrow alleys and colorful markets that'll make you feel like you've traveled back in time. It's even got this cool title as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which basically means it's a place that's super special and important. Check out cool spots like the Town Hall Square, the fancy Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, and the super impressive Toompea Castle. Hold on tight, nature lovers, because Estonia's wild side is calling. Did you know that more than half of this country is covered in awesome forests? That's like having a huge green playground everywhere you look. These forests are like paradise for explorers, hikers, bird watchers, and anyone who's up for some serious nature fun. And don't even get me started on the Lahama National Park. It's like the VIP zone of nature with its stunning coastline and all kinds of plants and animals, and lakes. Estonia has these peaceful lakes where you can just chill out and soak in the tranquility. Estonia's cultural scene is beyond awesome. They're super proud of their traditions, like folk music and dance that are like a part of their soul. Ever heard of the Estonian Song Festival? It's like the biggest music and unity party you can imagine. You've got to hear about Kalevipoeg. It's like the coolest poem ever, and it's so legendary that it's often compared to Finland's Kalevala. Hold on to your gadget tech lovers, because we're diving into the world of E-Estonia, a place where the future is happening now. Picture this, a country where everything's digital. From government stuff to special residency programs, Estonia's like the tech pioneer of Europe. We'll take you to the Tallinn Creative Hub, where super creative minds gather to shape the coolest ideas and inventions. Beach lovers, this one's for you. As we explore Estonia's coastline, get ready to be amazed by the hidden gems we'll uncover. Saaremaa, the biggest island, is like a chill-out paradise with its cozy villages. And if you're all about sunshine and waves, Pärnu Beach is where it's at. It's like the summer capital of Estonia, and it's calling out to all the sun seekers and water fans. Estonia's got it all, from medieval magic to cutting-edge tech, from cultural treasures to natural wonders. If you're as amazed as we are, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic adventures, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our next journey. Keep exploring, keep smiling, and until next time, stay awesome.